Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you an interesting scoring model called Linear Discriminant Analysis, a journey in Ronald Fisher's Linear Discriminant Analysis. I propose to do it in 5 parts, and I'm starting in this lesson, the first part. What is linear discriminant analysis? In several situations, we raise the question of differentiation. Do heavy users and light users of our product differ in terms of some characteristics or input features? Is income a good predictor of the user status? Does amount of formal education discriminate between viewers and non-viewers of a particular television serial, let's say? So the objective of LDA, an acronym which stands for Linear Discriminant Analysis, is to use the information from the predictor variables and achieve the largest possible separation between groups. That is the objective. Now let's look at some examples where linear discriminant analysis can be applied. In a textile mill, the cotton quality depends on the chemical composition of certain characteristics. LDA can create the score required. If the score is more than a threshold value, the cutoff point score, then the cotton quality is good, else the cotton quality can be classified as bad. In sanctioning loan for a customer, a bank can use the discriminant score that is developed based on the financial indicators and ratios. As a classifier, the score will be used to classify as follows. If the score is more than a threshold value called the cutoff point score, classify the customer as a defaulter, else classify the customer as non-defaulter. In the MBA admission in a business school, how do we apply linear discriminant analysis to select the candidates? Past scholastic record, which is reflected in the grade point average, the GMAT score, and performance score in the interview. Whether to admit a candidate or not can be based on a discriminant score. A cutoff point score we developed using Fisher's linear discriminant analysis model. And if the score is more than the cutoff point, admit the candidate, else reject. And of course, we are sort of confining to 2 groups. But as you know, the multiple discriminant analysis can be used for more than 2 groups, and that is the power. It can handle multiple classes. So this is part 1, which introduces in a way the linear discriminant analysis with certain examples. Thank you very much for watching the video. We will proceed to part 2 shortly. Thanks a lot.